Hello guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed the previous two videos that I've recorded using the Jackie palette. Um, so this will be my third look of this challenge, and I decided to do the Jackie, I think it's called the Jackie Aina palette challenge. I'm so excited and I'm so nervous for this challenge all at the same time because I know the color that I want, you know. I want to try and do something sort of simpler, she says, but depends on what I get. So anyway, let's get to it. So actually, let me tell you how the challenge works. I think it was Alyssa Ashley who did like a, I don't even know what they call it, but like different shots, like continuous shots of each individual shadows in the each individual shadow in the palette. So you just basically supposed to let the video run, Alyssa Ashley's video, and then you just pause, and the three shadows you pause on are the only three shadows you're allowed to use to create a look. If you get the same shadow twice, then just keep doing it till you get three different shadows. I hope that makes sense. I've got my phone here, so I would put the screen recording somewhere here. I'm not that tech savvy, but I'm sure between myself and my 11-year-old, we'll figure it out. So let's do this. Pause. Oh, I got credits. Yay. Pause. Zam. Yay. I'm excited now. Ginger. Yay. Ooh, I was so scared, guys. I thought I was going to get like three shimmer colors or two shimmers and I don't know. But I'm so happy. Yay. I can definitely work with this one. I can do this. This is right up my street. So yeah, I've got this. Got this for sure. So if you would like to see how I slay this challenge, you know, because it was pretty easy for me. I've been lucky. So let's do it. So as usual, I've primed my lids with my tar shape tape in tan sand, and I also set it with my translucent powder, which is Laura Mercier powder. So let's go into the palette, and I've got Ginger, Credit, and Zam Fab. I'm gonna go in with Credit first, and I'm gonna stamp Credit all over the lid. Love the shadows because the way they look in the palette is exactly the way they appear on your skin, which is just amazing. Thank you, Jackie, for doing that for us. So now I'm going to take my blending brush and then dip into, oh, I love those choices. It's just so easy breezy. Been so lucky with this one. Ginger it is. So I'm going to take ginger, which is that one right there, with my blending brush, which is the Morphe M433. And then I'm just going to use that to blend in the credit. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. You don't need to cut your crease. You can just put the shimmer shade on it if you would like, but I find that the cut crease style suits my eye shape the best. So now we're going to go in with Zam, which is that sort of rose, I don't even know, is it rose gold? Shimmery gold shade right there. So we're just gonna apply that to the lid. This feels more like a pressed pigment compared to the other sort of shimmery shadows. So now we're gonna sort of blend the end. I'm gonna use a combination of ginger and credit. So now we're gonna work on the bottom lashes, bottom lash line. As usual, I'm gonna line my under my bottom lash line with MAC line. And I only have two options for underneath. I guess it'll have to be ginger and credits. So we need to do inner tear duct area. Well, the only shimmer I have is Zam. I think if I wasn't doing this challenge, I probably would have gone for Soleil. Soleil, this one right here. But, oh well. Zam would have to be. Lashes on, and I will be right back. And we're back. This is the finished look. This is how the eyes is looking. Yes, so this is me getting lucky with the Jackie Aina palette challenge. I thought I'd glam it up today and a change from the nude and use a red. I love it. This Sam color is so pretty. So this is the third look using the Jackie palette. I hope you guys have been enjoying my challenge series so far. I have actually been enjoying it. Which look has been your favorite so far? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know. Remember to turn on that notification bell down below so that every time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Thumbs up are great for us because it allows YouTube to make our videos more visible. So we like thumbs up. So always make sure you thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys in another video very soon. Take care, guys.